Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Emmanuel. In this tutorial, I'll be introducing you to a very interesting and important application. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, the app I'll be introducing you to is very important because as a designer you'll be working with a lot of images, and some images you would like to remove the background before you commence your design. Now this application works with an AI technology, that is an artificial intelligence technology that helps you to remove the background from images, and this application works with any images. For instance, let's head on to the plus icon here and then we'll select an image from our gallery so that you can see what I'm talking about. So we'll scroll down. There's a particular image here I want to use for this example. So I'll head on to my gallery and then I'll locate the image from there. Scroll down and then I have the image here. So here is the image. So as you can see, I want to work with this image, but it has its own background and it's not going to be suitable for what I want to use it for. So what you want to do for this image to remove the background, you simply head on to your Google Play Store. If you're an Android user, you head on to your Google Play Store. If you're an iOS user, you can check the iOS store, or you can go to www.removebg.com because that's the name of the app, Remove BG. So you can see the app there. I have it already on my phone, so I won't download it, but if you don't have it and you need it, you can download it, and this is how it looks like. So I can simply go back to the Remove BG application and I'll launch it. So the application is loading, so wait for it to load. So the next thing we want to do is to upload the image. So we'll simply click on this upload button and then we'll head on to our gallery to locate the image. So we'll scroll down to the images. We'll scroll down to the images and we'll look for it, and then here it is with the background. So we'll just select it, and you can see within some seconds it has done an amazing job for you. Wow, there is no background on this image. So we want to just download it, so we'll download it and then we'll just wait while it downloads. So we want to open it with photos, so we'll just click on photos. Wow, this is amazing. And as you can see, the image doesn't have a background anymore. So we'll simply head back to our design application and then we'll try to bring the image to our screen so that we can compare it with the other one we have. So we'll click on the plus icon here, and then from gallery we'll try to locate the image. So I'll select this week to locate the images from this week. So this is it here, guys, and you can see it here. So if you compare it with the other one, this one doesn't have a background while these have a background. Isn't this amazing? So let me just try it one more time with another image. So I simply head on to the Remove BG application and then I'll look for another image. This time around I'll be using my own picture. So I'll wait for it to load and then I'll upload the picture. So let's wait. It actually works with the internet, so and that's why it's delaying a little bit. So let's wait. So guys, it's up, and then we'll click on the upload button and then we'll wait for it to load. So we'll head on to our gallery and then we'll wait for it to load. Wait for it to load the images on our gallery. So guys, these are the images on my gallery. So let me locate one of my image. So let's use this. So we'll just select this and then we'll allow it to process. Wow, it's bringing up this so we'll just fill up this real fast. Fill it up real fast. The network is a little bit slow, so let's be patient. Okay guys, as you can see, our application is done removing the background for us, so we'll simply download it and then we'll go back to our design and place it so that we'll see how it looks. So we'll just download it and then wow, this is amazing. So we'll head on to our design application and then we'll import the image from there. So we'll go to the plus icon here and from gallery, then we'll select this week to load the recent images. So as you can see, we have the image here without the background, guys. This is the image here without the background. Wow, isn't this amazing? So let's just hide this. We'll take this off as well. So as you can see guys, this is the image without the background and this is super amazing. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Kindly support by subscribing to our YouTube channel and follow us. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.